Good, my friends, in today's video we are going to shoot different things in slow motion with this bow I have here. We are going to find what is the best way to protect ourselves against a bow shot. First, we are going to try with this helmet I have here. Let's see if this helmet can save me my life. Okay, now you can shoot. Are you sure? Yeah, shot. Okay. You see? Nothing, no problem. Wanna try again? Okay, I'm here. Okay, as you wish. I don't feel very well. Oh. I told you this was not a good idea. But okay, let's go. Next thing. Let's find something. The first one first. This one first. Wow. That was difficult. Let's see this one. Okay, didn't get hurt, the head, only past the helmet, but shit. We lose one arrow less. Oh, we have only one arrow left to shoot everything. We will have to be more careful next time. The helmet of a motorbike can save your life from a bow. Okay, now we are going to shoot against this dictionary. Dictionaries nowadays are useless. You have Google. Why do you need dictionaries? Only to shoot. Okay guys, I left you a card here. Tell me how many pages do you think we are going to go through with the arrow? I don't know. Let's try it and let's count. Whoa, kill it! Let's see how much pages. Whoa, quite a few. Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, 170 pages to stop the arrow. So I feel safe like this. Now you can shoot. I'm safe with this book there. No problem. But we are not going to do like the other guy that did with the Desert Eagle, that hold like this and died. Even if the book is able to stop the bullet, I don't think it's safe because it can turn or the shooter can miss the shot. Okay, things get dangerous. Now we are going to shoot to these flammable cans. I don't think that it's going to explode. What do you think? I leave you a card here. Answer now. It's going to explode with flame or it's not going to explode? Let's try. Okay, now it's time for a water glove. Let's see what happens. Oh. I have flour and I have sugar. What do you think? I think the flour is going to stop the arrow, and I think that the sugar no. What do you think? Answer now in the car here. Let's see. Let's start by the flour. Whoa! The sugar didn't stop the arrow. The flour also didn't stop the arrow. I was wrong. Ah, fucking wasp! It hurts a lot. Ah. Shit! I get bitten by a wasp. The wasp thought that I was fighting for the sugar. Was not a good idea to use sugar. Ah, it hurts a lot. Shit! Oh, it's there. Okay, I have here a bottle of beach sand. This sand is the sand that I use for the video to make green sand for the furnace, to make pieces of aluminium. Okay, let's put it. We have removed the wasp. We throw it there. They will still alive, but we have broken the arrow. And the other one, if you remember, was broken with the helmet. So we need to repair one. We are going to be able to make one arrow from two arrows. Don't do this at home, it's not safe. Remember, safety number one priority. Don't do this at home. This is not safe. This is very crazy. Well, in fact, everything that I do is very crazy. Okay, what do you think about that? Let's taste it with the sand. Okay, we don't have arrows left. When I was trying to extract the arrow from the bottom, I lose the top of the arrow, so we cannot shoot anything more. So maybe another day I have to try with different things. I have a video where I explain how to assemble this bow, the properties of this bow. You can take a link in the card here. Watch it, I don't know. There. Okay guys, this is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.